We now move to Nasarawa State, where Nigeria Community Action for Resilience and Economic Stimulus Program (NGCAS), supported by World Bank and implemented nationwide, has wrapped up its first phase with zonal review meetings designed to mitigate the economic impact of COVID-19 pandemic. In Lafia, the Nasarawa state capital, independent verification agents from North Central states, excluding Kwara, met to evaluate how the people-focused initiative has benefited citizens and identified areas for improvement. We now join our Lafia State House correspondent, Mary Ojiji, for more.
NGCARES is a World Bank-assisted program created to cushion the economic shocks of the COVID-19 pandemic. Speaking, World Bank representative Dr. Ade Fanin explained that beneficiaries from different states shared feedback on their experiences and offered suggestions for improved implementation.
How effective this is a no-brainer, because what we have done here is ingenious. We've been able to bring beneficiaries of the project into the room to come and give us feedback of how they are benefiting and how else they will want the project to be structured. That is one area that most project designers don't think about. They just think about the expertise of design, but who are the beneficiaries and how they feed back into your redesign and how the benefits go to the beneficiaries is not well thought through.
Governor Abdullahi Sule described NGCARES as a timely lifeline, especially for the rural communities in Nasarawa. He pledged the state's continued support and commended the World Bank as preparations begin for Phase 2.
I continue to thank our team in Nasarawa State for making us proud by putting a lot of effort with the support from us to ensure that we remain highly competitive. And I want to thank the World Bank and every one of you for making the 2.0 possible, because I was told that the 2.0 is also coming on soon. And we want to pray Nasarawa State remain number one when we come to 2.0.
The chairman, Federal CARES Technical Committee and Director of Economic Growth at the Federal Ministry of Finance, Budget and Economic Development, while delivering his address, urged participants to engage openly while praising Nasarawa's performance so far.
Nasarawa State has been chosen because of their performance in the last fourth IVA review. I think Nasarawa was the second in terms of its performance during the last reimbursement.
Nasarawa Commissioner for Finance, Budget and Economic Planning emphasized the program's focus on the poor and vulnerable, while NGCARES State Coordinator Dr. Omar Dahiru highlighted its significant impact and readiness for the next phase.
It is evident that the World Bank assisted program, NGCARES, has been something that Nigerians have been yearning for, and it is something that is really focused on the people. It is people focused, especially with the poor and vulnerable, as it affects their livelihood and other aspects of their lives.
The review so far has been very positive. All the states that are in this zone have expressed satisfaction with the way IVA had carried its own assessment.
With Phase 1 successfully reviewed, stakeholders say the lessons learned in Lafia will help strengthen NGCARES Phase 2, ensuring broader reach and deeper impact for millions of Nigerians still recovering from the pandemic's economic fallout. Mary Ojiji, ADBN News.